we talk about how can you find your Tumblr place on your Tumblr app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click in this sign down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list on your profile. Then all you have to do now, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down. So you keep going down and you click here on Tumblr. Please here, click on it. Then you come to this list. Then you click here on please here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then here you will find all results on your posts here and companies and here about you have on your Tumblr app. I have nothing, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.